I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6:50. I make a cup of tea and iron my clothes. I have a shower and get dressed. I usually wear jeans, a jumper or cardigan, and boots in the winter. I pack my bag with all my teaching materials. I then put on my coat and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I catch the bus at 8:15 and then I pay my fare and sit down. It takes about 45 minutes to get to my destination 3 miles away. I get off the bus and walk to the school where I teach English. I have to sign in and get the key. Class starts at 9:25 and ends at 11:25. I have lunch at 12. I eat a baguette or sandwich at the local cafe.